Good morning. You guys want to go outside and have coffee with Mom? Come on, Dink. Come on. Why don't you come out unless you get a treat? Come. Oh my gosh, I've created a monster. Look at her waiting for her food. No, Coconut, you're much smarter than your sissy. You don't need any of those. Yes, you're smarter than your sis. Come on, let's go see. Let's go see what happened while we was sleeping. What's out here? Ooh. Oh, look over here. Wow. Let's see. Are there any lizards, Dink? Let's look for them. You see any? What do you see this morning? I hear a big truck. Let's see what's. Ooh, look at Mama's flowers. We need to clean them. Yes, we need to pluck these off. Oh my gosh, that's really loud.